to introduce you to our new 4K slim bezel interactive touch display. They come in a range of sizes, a 55 inch, 65 inch, 75 inch and 86 inch. This interactive whiteboard is the perfect presentation and collaborative display to enable schools and businesses to work together in a collaborative manner. With an inbuilt Android media player and the meeting pad software, opens the world of third-party applications and collaboration. It's designed to replace the traditional projector systems which are outdated and have to have the bulbs replaced frequently. The cost to replace those is high, whereas our LCD panel has a backlight life of at least 80,000 hours. With our stylish lightweight enclosure means that our displays can be mounted on pretty much anything such as stud walls, with the aluminium slim bezel and the polymer rear. The etched glass is designed to diffuse external lighting so we don't get that reflection, along with having a smoother gestures. With the IR bezel allows for up to 20-point touch, so collaboration with more than just one person. It also allows you to use your personal stylus, so there's no physical need to use your hands. You can use a stylus for that interaction as well. The displays come with a 5-year warranty, a lifetime technical support, and in the UK mainland come with an on-site warranty. You have the option of a Windows OPS PC, which will be going to the rear OPS slot to have a fully integrated solution and for clients to have an additional Windows display on their current network. With the Android operating system, our meeting pad software allows for full control over the experience of the unit. You can install third-party applications and simply search the web, such as BBC. With the toolbar at the bottom, you can select the home button, which will take you back to the home screen. You have the back button, touch, pen or stylus for annotation, eraser, minimize toolbar if you want to, snippet tool, which allows you to take segments from a document and save them for later, taskbar, which allows you to close applications, file explorer, save, and whiteboard. With File Explorer allows anybody with a USB stick to come to the display, plug it in and display a range of documents. Simply go to File Explorer, find the USB drive here, select and scroll and look for the document you're looking for, such as JPEGs, MP4s, MP3 and PowerPoint or PDF documents and any other Office documents. You open the document that you require, as simple as that, and you're able to both scroll, edit and actually annotate this document, like so. We also have the whiteboard functionality. The whiteboard allows you to change the colour of the pen. Okay, so here we go, anywhere from black to green. You can actually change the size of the actual pen itself. You can select the background colour and create multiple pages. So page 1 and page 2. Using the same save function at the toolbar, you can save the document and easily file share that document to any third-party device such as a tablet, a mobile phone and a laptop. You can also then share from your iPad, your phone and your laptop to the display. As you'll see, the display, once I click save, allows you to then scan a QR code, which then easily push those files directly to my mobile phone or directly to my device. It's as easy as that. You can wirelessly mirror up to 4 devices to the display at any one time. This can be a range of devices from a mobile device, a laptop or PC, a tablet or a Mac. Using your mobile device, you can actually mirror directly to the display, as well as mirroring from the display to that mobile device using our Etched application. And I'll demonstrate that now. As you can see, I'm now sharing images from my phone to the display and scrolling through. I'll demonstrate from the display to my mobile phone using our eShare app. You load the application, it will find your device on your network, as you have to be connected to the same network at this point. Select meeting pad, TV mirror, and there we are. We can simply control the display from my mobile device. And now onto the Smart Pen. It's not just a pen or a stylus. It allows you to both write on the display. It allows you with the buttons here to change the colour of the pen. It allows you then to save the document, as well as going home. It also allows you to choose between touch and pen. And once you're on the touch mode, you can enter our File Explorer, reopen a PowerPoint presentation, for example, place the PowerPoint presentation in full screen mode and use the up and down arrow to scroll through the presentation. I'd also like to introduce you to PushShare. PushShare is our wireless collaboration solution, enabling people to be able to share from a laptop, a Windows-based machine, or a Apple Mac laptop or PC. You simply pair your dongle with your interactive whiteboard. You only need to do this once, so you plug this in via USB, wait a few seconds for the dongle to pair with the unit. Unlike most wireless solutions having to install third-party softwares, as this is completely integrated, you wait for these solutions to pair. Once paired, you unplug with the device you would like to mirror. So in this case, it would be a Windows-based laptop. You plug in your HDMI cable, like so. And to get power to the dongle, just plug it in the USB cable. Once you've done that, you'll just wait for the dongle to stop flashing. Once it stops flashing, you simply push to share. You'll notice that now I am able to control what's on the display using the interactive touch display. So this is a completely integrated solution. If you don't have one of our interactive displays, then you can also purchase an additional receiver that can be housed or hidden behind your existing displays.